Choose the word opposite in the meaning to the word underlined below. The crowd felt stupefied by the lecture. 1. Engulfed. 2. Entertained. 3. Enthused. 4. Encouraged. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 3 enthused. The word stupefied means unable to think clearly, usually because someone is extremely tired or bored or has taken drugs. स्पष्ट रूप से सोचने में असमर्थ, आमतौर पर क्योंकि कोई व्यक्ति अत्यधिक थका हुआ या उब गया है या उसने ड्रग लिया है. The antonym of the word stupefied. Enlighten, unconfuse, educate, apprise, enthused, clear-headed, clear thinking. From the antonyms of the given word, we can say that the word enthused is the most similar in the meaning. The word enthused means to express excitement about something or great interest in it. किसी चीज़ के बारे में उत्साह व्यक्त करना या बहुत रुचि रखना.